Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to read and write data in R using the mtcars dataset. Let's get started. First, we write the mtcars dataset to a tab-separated text file and read it back into R. We use the read.table function to save the data and read.table to load it. Here's a peek at the first 5 rows. Next, we write the mtcars dataset to a CSV file and read it back into R. The write.csv function handles the writing, while read.table reads the CSV with a comma separator. We also demonstrate writing to a tab-separated file. Notice how we use sep equals to t for both writing and reading the file. For space-separated values, change the sep parameter to a space when writing and reading the file. Finally, we show how to read a CSV without using the first column as row names, and then customize the column names. And that's it. You've learned to read and write data in R using different separators. Don't forget to subscribe for more data tutorials. Happy coding!